Hello there, this is Tech House channel. We have got some new and fresh leaks of iPhone 14 lineup. For the first time, iPhone 14 lineup will use dual punch hole camera system. This system will be limited to the Pros model only. The regular iPhone 14 and 14 Max will use the same notch design as we have seen in the last year's iPhone 13 lineup. Camera is getting wider and bigger because for the 48 megapixel we will see 48 megapixel in the iPhone 14 Pro Max model with 8K resolution capability. There will be no mini model from the iPhone 14 lineup. Instead of mini, there is iPhone 14 Max, the regular iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Dual punch hole system will be limited to the Pros model only. And there is disappointing news that A16 will be only used in the Pros model due to the worldwide chip shortage. And the regular iPhone 14 and 14 Max will use the last year's Apple Bionic A15, which we have seen in the iPhone 13 lineup. We may not notice any performance difference in the day-to-day life in between Apple Bionic A15 and A16. So it will be okay if Apple uses A15 Bionic for the iPhone 14 and 14 Max. Here is the display module iPhone 14 lineup. Apple is likely to increase the price of iPhone 14 lineup due to the worldwide chip shortage. If Apple follow its culture, iPhone 14 lineup will be announced in the month of September. If you have found this video informative, support us by subscribing this channel. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.